YouTube, welcome back. Today I have another DIY tutorial to show you guys to whiten your teeth. So first of all, you guys want to go ahead and then get the distilled white vinegar. So I highly recommend it to use this one, and you want to mix it with the baking soda, and I have slide the lime already. So this will activate more to get your yellow stain out of your teeth. So I got a small cup right here and a pot of hot water already. So I'm gonna pour the hot water in here, mix with the vinegar, and then I'm gonna go get a spoon. If you want, you can add a little sea salt in there. So let me go ahead and then grab the spoon to mix it up real quick. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of the vinegar in there. So about this much. You gotta be careful once you put the baking soda in there, it's gonna make a bubblish. So it might overfull. Just add a little bit salt. Hot water. I'm gonna mix with the baking soda first before I mix the hot water. You want to make sure the baking soda is diluted. You're gonna hear that sizzling sound. And mix with your lime. Then your hot water in there. A little mix. After that, you could use a Q-tip, or if you have a teeth guard, you could use that as well. So I'm gonna use this to dip in there real quick, and then go around my teeth. So let it sit in your mouth for about a minute or so, and then you want to go ahead and then brush your teeth right after that, because you don't want the acid to mess up your enamel. Okay, so just go ahead and then brush your teeth, and you're done, and your teeth should be whitened. All right. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like this video and give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification, and drop any other comments on below. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.